Hey guys, here's a quick install video on a 2025 KTM 350 EXCF with the orange factory clamp. Before removing the handlebar and triple clamp, secure the lower clamp and wheel to the frame to prevent the forks from sliding. Once the tie down is secure, start removing handlebar, headlight, and odometer cluster. Remove the upper triple clamp and dust cover. When installing the post mount, you may need to gently flex the post mount enough to slide down the frame. Start by securing the front of the post mount and gently tap the back until it slides all the way down and stops. Once centered, use blue or purple Loctite and tighten pinch bolt to about 7 foot-pounds. Install the GPR handlebar mount onto the triple clamp while the clamp is off the bike. Use the supplied bushings with the OEM bolt. The bushing with the lip goes on the top, tighten to factory specs of about 50 foot-pound. Now install the triple clamp with bar mounts already on there. Mount the GPR stabilizer. Make sure the pin is set in the stabilizer arm. The bottom of the flat cuts at the top of the pin should not bind on the bottom of the stabilizer arm. Once the pin height is set, tie on the stabilizer mount screws to about 7 foot-pounds. Reinstall handlebars back to preferred position. Tighten the bar mount bolts to about 17 foot-pounds. Use the provided throttle cable guide to help with cable clearance. Check for binding and clearance by moving the handlebars through their full range of motion. Ensure there's no interference with cables or other parts. Once everything is secure and tight, go ride.